Good morning, children. In this chapter, Fun with Numbers, today we are going to learn how to write number names. Now, learning number names is again very important. You know why? Why we should learn number names? I'm sure you must have seen your parents writing a check. You know, a check which we give in the bank and we get the money. You must have seen them writing a check. So when we write a check, we need to write the amount of money in number name. So it is very important for us when we grow up, we have to write checks so often. So if we don't know the number names and if we make spelling mistakes, oh my God, how disgraceful it would be. It's not nice, na? We should know number names because we should know how to write a check properly. So in this video, we are going to learn number names. And you have to be very careful with certain numbers like 40. Many children make mistakes. You know how they do? They write down FOURTY 40. No, it is not 4T, it's 40. So the spellings are FORTY 40. Like this, there are other number names also where the children make mistake. So all I'm going to tell you and I'm going to point it out to you where children make mistake. And you be careful and remember that I am not going to make this mistake. Okay? So when you have to write the number names in your test and all, you will always do it correctly. Right? So today I'm going to teach you all this. Come. So come children, let us revise number names. Why I am saying revise? Because in class 1 as well as in class 2, you have learnt how to write number names and you have learnt their spellings too. But if we don't practice them, then we forget the spellings. Okay, now let us start with the first number. Before we write the number name, let us read the number. 412. 4 is at hundreds place, 1 is at tens place, and 2 is at ones place. Now 1 and 2 makes 12. So this is 412. So we are going to write FOUR 4, 100. HUN, hundred, DRED, 412. 12, how do we write 12? TWELVE, 12. Okay, next number is 637. SIX, 6, 100, HUNDRED, 630. It is not 3T, it is 30. THIR, thir, TY, 30. SEVEN, 7. Okay, next number is 948. So we will write NINE, 9, HUNDRED, 100, 40. Beta 40 you don't write as FOURTY 40. That mistake so many children make. We write 40 as FORTY 40. 8, EIGHT 8. 948. Next number is 513. So this is FIVE 5, HUNDRED 100, 13. Thir. How do you write thir? THIR. Thirteen. TEEN. 13. Next number is 120. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, 20. Twenty. Twen. How do we write twen? TWEN. Twen. TY 20. Okay, next number is 855. EIGHT 8, hun, hundred, DRED 800. Now we have to write 50. 50. FIF 50. 50. Beta, please notice it is not FIVE 5TY. It is not 5T. It is 50 and 5. FIVE. So we have 855. Next number is 703. Now children, 7 is at hundreds place. 3 is at ones place. And 0 is at tens place. So this number is 703. Okay, how we will write? SEVEN 7, HUNDRED 100, THREE 3, 703. Since there is a 0 at tens place, so this is 703. And the last number is 280. Now 8 and 0 will make 80. 2 is at hundreds place. So this is 280. TWO2. Many children even make mistake while writing 2. They write TOW, TOW, which is wrong. This is TWO2, HUNDRED 100, EIGHTY 80. Here there will be only one single T. Because in 8 there is one single T, so we will just put Y and it will become 80. So this is 280. So children, when you practice writing number names, please make sure that you write the number names and speak them simultaneously so that you learn them very, very nicely. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.